friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are reviewing these crochet hooks. I am so excited about it. These are the Etimo Tulip crochet hooks. I have had my eyes on these for years. I'm so excited to test these out. I see so many people using them and they love them. So yeah, let's get started. Hi friends, real quick, if you want to learn how to get these amazing ergonomic hooks in this super cute yarn bag, make sure you check out the link in the description below.
Alright, so today we are reviewing the Tulip, the Etimo hooks. And so you can see I haven't opened them up yet, but I'm very excited about these. I see people use them all the time, so let's, this contains crochet hook with cushion grip. So we have a D, E, F, G, H, I, and J, 2 tapestry needles, ruler, scissor, case, easy to grip shape. So yeah, this is so cute though. I love the little, see the little bow? That's so cute. Alright, so this case, number 1, is super adorable. Is this just like, how does this, oh. I have no idea. Not very squishy, but that's okay. They're soft and they hold, like, they indent really well where your thumb goes. Oh, let's grab some yarn. Alright, so alright, so we've got some paint box, chunky. So let's I've done a review on this before, but this is a 50-50 split chunky yarn. So let's grab a hook. It says to use a 7, so we will grab a 7. They're very lightweight. They're super lightweight hooks, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, they're not like grabbing on and like snagging the yarn or anything. They're very smooth. They are shorter, it feels like. Yeah, it feels, I don't know, maybe they're not. They feel a little shorter in my hand. And I don't have very big hands, but I mean, I like the feel of them. Yeah, they're not like pulling on the yarn. There's no rough edges. They just go right through it. No problem. I feel like my tension, and they're like pointy enough. I just noticed that. They're pointy, but not like so pointy that they split the yarn. I just really like that they're black, or like a gray color and gold. I think that's really pretty. I still can't get over how light they are. Alright, let's test out these scissors that they came with. They look really sharp. Yeah, like the stitches are very even and uniform. Yeah, but it comes with these cute little scissors. And they have like a little safety thing on there because they are pretty sharp. I poked myself with them. And they go right in here. And then I like this. It's got like, it covers them up so they don't slide out. And then a little extra pocket here. It's got some tapestry needles, a little ruler. All right, let's see if we can figure out how to roll this up. Is this how you do it? Yeah. Oh, that's cute as heck. And then you just toss this right in your bag, and with that little flap on there, you can see it holds your hooks in there so they don't come out. All right, so I vote these are a yes. I love this little case. I like them a lot. They're shorter, so if you're needing a longer crochet hook, I wouldn't recommend them. But they come, I mean, it's a really good set of sizes in here too. Like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They don't have half sizes though. Well, I mean, I guess the 7, that's a 4.5. I guess they do have half sizes, I just can't read. Alright, so we've got the 3.2, 3.5, 3.754, 4.55, 5.5, and 6. So I misread these when I was testing them out earlier. Instead of working this with a 7mm crochet hook, I was working it with a 4 or a 4.5 because I saw 7 and not 4.5. I was wondering, that was really small. Yeah, so I mean, they're very cute. I really like them. The scissors just fell out, but I do really like them. I probably should have read them a little bit better because I was just reading the numbers and not the millimeters, but that's on me. But other than that, this is a super cute set. I would highly recommend them if you're wanting like a nice travel set. They're a little bit pricey. I'll have the information in the description below. I think I bought them for $45 or $50 maybe. But the price changes on Amazon quite frequently right now, so I'm not sure. You'll have to double check before you buy them. But I'll have that information in the description below. So if you have any questions or any feedback on it, just let me know. If you have anything else you want me to review, leave that in the comments below so I can pick that up for next time. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks, bye!